Vigor Tech, one of the top and leading wireless radio control weed mower manufacturers in China, focuses on the research and development of remote control and autopilot unmanned vehicles. Remote control lawn mower is our current main product, widely used in lawn mowing and weed cutting, suitable for orchard, steep incline, front yard, wasteland, wildfire prevention, river bank, and so on. The Yamaha grass cutter remotely controlled adopts CE and EPA approved gasoline engine, 200 meters long distance remote control, adjustable cutting height, travel speeds up to 6 kilometers per hour. Based on the in-depth understanding of our own products, we can provide the best after-sales service. We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world.